Hello, today we're gonna open a box with Breville, the Smart Oven Air. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Ta-da! We got the tray. This is the tray. What else we have? We have pizza tray. Then we have two racks. We have two racks. Okay, we have mash tray. We have mash tray and we have regular tray. We have regular tray. We have mash tray for French fries. And maybe some vegetables and meat. We'll cook later. We have another rack. I'm not sure what we're gonna use it for. And then we have oven itself. I'm gonna get it out. Okay, we have our oven in place. So first we're gonna put this tray at the very bottom. This tray catches all kinds of drips. Also have this oven rack. Then we're gonna put another rack at the top. And we're gonna have mash. I think it has to go. We're gonna put it over here. We have this beautiful non-stick pizza pan. Ooh, those magnets are so strong. Ooh. Then we have this roasting pan, and there is a rack for the roasting pan. Let's put it over here for now. So if we're gonna close the door and okay, it's supposed to. Okay, let me switch it. Oh, here you go. So you gotta put it in the middle so the magnets over here cooling the rack when you open the door. How convenient is that? That's nice. That is very nice option. You close it. Here you go. Just for you. Enjoy. We're gonna prepare the oven for cooking. We have to remove all the trays before. This is just one-time thing. Before using it for the first time, we're gonna remove all the trays. Gonna close the door. We're gonna plug it in for the first time. Okay. Wonderful. So in order to remove any protective substances on the heating elements, it is necessary to run the oven empty for 20 minutes. So we're gonna turn on the oven for 20 minutes. It's empty oven, we don't have any racks, nothing is inside. There might be some vapors, so they are not super harmful, but it's better if you have some sort of ventilation, open windows, or turn on exhaust fan if you have one nearby. These vapors are safe and are not detrimental to the performance of the oven. So we're gonna remove everything. So we're gonna keep this crumb tray. We're gonna turn, I don't know if you can see it, let me move it a little bit closer. Okay, we're gonna move it to, there is a dial, we're gonna scroll it. In order to prepare the oven for the very first time, we're gonna, let me move it closer. So we're gonna use this dial and we're gonna move it to presetting that is called pizza. It's 375, 20 minutes, convection. It's already preset. So we're gonna move it and we're gonna press start button. So we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes. You can see the time indicator here. Once it's done, it's gonna turn off on its own. Okay, we have about 5 seconds left. You're gonna hear the sound. So it indicates that the cycle is over at the end. 0 minutes. Again, we were cleaning any residue, anything that is inside the oven. We're gonna do it only one time. And another couple of things, how we can upgrade our Breville oven, smart oven. So as you can see, these trays, we're gonna put some silicone bumpers. So when you close the door, if you accidentally, smash the door while the tray is a little bit, is not pushed all the way back, see, you're not hurting your door. The glass is not gonna break if you slam the door, so kind of protecting the glass. Another good option is to have silicone mat. See, it's like a regular silicone mat that you can put and reuse with your tray. Also, great option. And that's it. This is easy to clean, very environmentally friendly. I hope you're gonna enjoy it.